Welcome back, friends. So, we saw good selling for a few days in the global stock markets, and this was across the world, whether it was the United States, Europe, in Asia, and in India. Everywhere we saw good hammering. Some signs of recovery were there yesterday, but then we also saw that oil was down more than 5% in international markets, which is a blessing in disguise for a country like India. Friends, in the United Kingdom, we have Metro Bank, whose shares have plunged almost 25% in trading today after multiple stops were put on that particular stop. There were multiple suspensions, as has been confirmed by the London Stock Exchange. This situation with Metro Bank in the United Kingdom is very similar to what happened in the US regional banks in March of 2023. So be careful. It seems that the effect of higher interest rates are now beginning to spread across in other countries of the world as well. This example today of Metro Bank is reminiscent of March 2023, but is also reminiscent of what can happen should this gather global pace, and which I believe is going to happen shortly. In any event, the most important figure today has been the US Jobless claims figure, and that's risen slightly to 207,000 for the week. Now, this is a little higher than what was anticipated, but the bigger thing that can be drawn is that immediately after this announcement, you saw the futures losing ground. The Dow, S&P, Nasdaq futures were losing ground. The reason being that it shows that an economy that is resilient in some ways, but it also gives reminiscences of a tight labor market, since the rise has only been very small. At the same time, I would hasten to add that this also brings in the possibility that as the US Federal Reserve realizes that labor market is tight, but the tightness is beginning to come down a little bit, they may go a little soft on interest rates. That's my small interpretation. There is a very good possibility of a short-term rebound in world financial markets. And the question is, how long will that last? The problem is that there are so many fundamental issues which are lying ahead that eventually the grim reality is going to come to haunt, and sooner rather than later, you will see the world financial markets go into a tailspin, and this time it will be nastier than what we have seen over the last few days. To get to know more, friends, do join our various Telegram channels. We have for the US markets, we have the Prime or Prime Plus, which gives you a good overview. You get to know scientifically, we calculate and tell you where the US markets are headed next week, week beyond, and that's very good information and helps you to do intelligent trading. For the Indian markets, you can join the Premium or Premium Plus. Premium gives you 3 days predictions in advance. Premium Plus gives you 8 to 10 days predictions in advance. And on the occasion of the Cricket World Cup 2023 starting today in Ahmedabad, we have launched a Cricket Bonanza package, Cricket Bonanza 2023, very moderately priced, where you have two choices. Either you can join for 30 days or you can join for the entire Cricket World Cup of 50 days, and you get at a very moderate price. You get daily predictions, not only about the various directions of the market that it can take, but also very good stock recommendations you'll be able to get, friends. So you can enjoy it, and they will be very well balanced. So not only people who are interested in options, futures trading, but more importantly, people who are very interested in good stocks, fundamentally sound ones, and those which can do well over the short, medium and long term, they will find our program, the Cricket World Cup 2023 Bonanza, very useful. Friends, do not hesitate and do join it. We have kept it very moderately priced, and I'm sure it will be of immense benefit. We would like to have as many people as possible on board. Finally, those who are not yet a part of our Telegram channel, please do click on the link that is given below and do join our free Telegram channel so you can keep getting regular updates. And yes, it is I would be very happy if you also were to like and also share our videos with your friends, relatives, and WhatsApp groups. Friends, we are doing tremendous effort to give you all this information in advance, and hope to see you all soon in any of our packages, either the US pertaining the Prime or Prime Plus, or for the Indian markets. Especially, we have launched this World Cup Bonanza 2023. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.